So a lot of you recently asked me how to actually verify their phone number, so here I am doing the tutorial. So first, go to your YouTube Studio and look for the gear button on the settings. Then do what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I already verified, so it'll look a little bit different from yours. Here is what it should look like. Then after it sends you to like another page to verify your phone number. So this is what it will look like for you. Then it will send a one-time message when you entered. Close this tab. Then if you want to go live, click on create and go live. Then you wait 24 hours for YouTube to verify your YouTube account and see if you're okay. So that's the end of the video. Bye.